up, you guys? It's your girl Shanelle.janai from around the way. Hey, and in today's video, I am back with another juicing video. And just to briefly explain why my hair looks so crazy, I should put a scarf on. I should probably put a scarf on, or like a hood or something, you know, like be a little, my little curls or whatever. Either way, I look crazy. But it is a windy, rainy, snowy, haily, sleety day here. And yeah, it was just a mess today. So yeah, that pretty much explains my bad hair day. But let's keep it moving. This juice that we will be making today will also stimulate healthy hair growth and give our hair some shine. Give our follicles, I'm gonna say cuticles, our follicles, thought I messed my nail up. I'm so easily distracted, oh my god. This juice will stimulate healthy hair growth and also give our follicles some shine, which is never a bad thing, right? What you will need for this particular juice is you will need 4 to 6 kale leaves, like large kale leaves to be exact. 1 cucumber, 1 green apple, 1 inch of ginger root, and also you will need 2 ribs of celery, so 2 celery sticks, right? And then you can also have a little bit of lemon, just squeeze some lemon juice in it to add some flavor to it. That is optional. Now, I will say I am a little scared to do this one because I don't know how I'm going to feel about it. I don't know how I'm going to like the taste of this. But we will try this out together. And you see, even though I looked a mess, I really wanted the juice today. And I'm like, I'm going to so regret it if I don't share it with you guys. So I'm like, let me just go ahead and put myself in front of the camera looking all types of crazy because, hey, take it or leave it. So without further ado, let's just hop right into this video. I hope you enjoy it. Go get your ingredients, go get your juicer, and let's get started. Let's go. Okay, you guys, so welcome back to my kitchen. Let's get right into this. Now, I've already given you the reasons why cucumbers are good and beneficial for your hair in my first video. So I do suggest before watching this one that you go ahead and watch that one first because it will give you more detail. I just don't want to be repetitive in all of my videos that I do like this of the same thing. But to wrap it up in short form, cucumbers, the main minerals that I spoke on before were silica, sulfur, manganese, and potassium. And all those minerals basically stimulate healthy hair growth. Then I had also spoke on how cucumbers hydrate our bodies. They also hydrate our hair. So depending on the size of your juicer, you may be fine, but mine, I had to cut this into 4 pieces, 4 sections, just for it to fit in the juicer. Let go! Now we're going to move on to our celery sticks, which we want to get 2 of them. Celery will strengthen your immune system and also hydrate your body just like cucumbers do. Celery has a very high amount of water and also vitamin A within it, which makes it very good for our hair. The water will keep our scalp hydrated and also eliminate dandruff. And the vitamin A will provide nourishment to the roots of your hair. Celery is also known to stimulate good hair growth, healthy hair growth I should say, and also improve texture as well. Let go! Now let's move on to kale, in which we're using, I'm going to use 6 of them. It said 4 to 6, so I'm going to use 6 leaves of kale. The vitamin C And kale will increase the circulation on your scalp. Kale will also improve the elasticity of your hair. And lastly, kale will ensure that your hair is silky and that your follicles are very, very healthy. So you ready? You ready? Let go. Now we're going to move on to the ginger, and we're going to use 1 inch of ginger root. So this is about 1 inch right here. This is what we will be juicing. Ginger will stimulate your hair follicles, which in turn will obviously help your hair to grow quicker and healthier. So ginger also contains certain things like magnesium and potassium and other vitamins that will make your hair really, really healthy. It will make your hair stronger, healthier, and shinier as well. It don't even look like anything went in there, but I guess it did. Moving on to apples. So I already explained the benefits of apples in my previous video, but long story short, it also has vitamin A in it, which we've already learned is very, very good for your hair. Will also stimulate healthy hair growth, and it will add a sweet taste to this drink. Now, if I don't like this drink because it has a lot of vegetables and stuff going on, I will be adding another apple because that's all it takes to make this drink sweet. And now, for the love of my life, I'm telling you, this thing right here is amazing. Amazing. Voila. Let go. So we're gonna add a squeeze of lemon. So what I'm going to do, let's cut it here, and I'm just gonna squeeze the lemon really, really good. Here's the moment of truth, y'all. Now, like I said, I'm really nervous about this, that I may not like it. And if I don't, I will be adding another apple, so it's not that big of a deal. I don't know what I'm tasting that I don't like. We're gonna have to put another apple up in here. It got a heck of a kick to it. Woo! Is it the ginger? Or the kale? We're gonna add an apple to this. I really pray that this makes a difference, because I did not like that. Better, but it still has that kick. What is that kick? If y'all know what that kick is, let me know. I don't eat kale and I don't eat ginger, so I don't know where it's coming from. It got, maybe it's the ginger, it has a kick to it. It's like I'm trying to like it so bad. I'm trying so hard to like this. I'll give it an A for effort. I mean, it's very nutritious, so it's worth it. But would I go pick this up at the corner store? Negative. But what I'm going to do is put it in the refrigerator to chill, because it will taste better if it's cold. Mind you, you want to drink these kind of drinks within 24 hours. Do not let it go past that time, so go ahead and drink it all. Once again, we've made it to 16 ounces, so we did make 2 cups again with our mixture. Feel free to add more apple if it's too strong for you. And yeah, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Trying it again now that it's cold. I have mixed feelings about it. I think it's the ginger that throws me off with this. If you happen to love the taste of ginger, this will be amazing for you. So I would definitely recommend it. It does not taste horrible. So if you love ginger, I think that it will be perfect. I know that ginger has like a, not bitter, but like a peppery, very strong taste. That's what I taste. And I don't like it. Oh no. No. It's a no. It's a no. I'm gonna at least try to drink half of it, and then it may go down the drain. I really don't like it. But anyway, y'all, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. I didn't like this one, but it's all a learning experience. Stay tuned for the next juicing video that I may do. Please be sure to give this a thumbs up so that I know that you're interested in videos like this. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Show me some love, show me some support, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Okay, I'm done. I'm done with this. I'm done.